Hey guys, so I got a drone. This is what it looks like. My sister actually flew it inside, which is not a very good idea. That's why it's a little bit scratched, but it's a really nice drone. It is very easy to set up. It has a 1080 HD camera, and I tried it on the app. It looks very clear. I haven't actually flown it outside, but it's a really nice drone. It doesn't take off if it's on your hands. It only takes off if it's on a flat surface. And here's the remote. This is what the remote looks like. It's very easy to use. It's very user friendly. And this is what you would be looking at if you were to fly it. And then it has this, so you could put your phone on here. You could put your phone on here so you could see what's on the drone on your phone. And you guys have the option to control it by remote or by phone. Make sure that you guys order one for yourselves so you guys could fly it outside. And yeah.